but it was a part 2 of us playing what's it called? Animal Company. The fat one should be joining soon. And look, new update. So much more fat and harder. It makes Bloomberg sound. And look at all this art. Let's see what there is now. What changed? Don't understand what's meant. Oh, this. I thought it meant this. Yeah, I think it did change. Prototype. We need. Hello. Wait, look. What do you see here? What do you see here?
Flashlight.
Press here.
Flare gun.
Wait, is that a flare gun?
Yes, flare gun.
We need to go get golden chicken egg to get the flare. Wait, look at your watch.
The thing is that I don't really know the way anymore.
What do you mean?
They kind of changed all that.
Wait, let's first go exploring to the temple because that's where lots of loot is. Let's go.
Well,
Huh?
um,
So I know the red light, green light's up there. No, it's not. So much loot. Oh damn! That's where a monster is and a red light, green light. We have to get out of there. There's a red light, green light monster over here.
There's no monster in here.
Harrison,
Yeah.
put all the loot in. I think it is a monster in here.
No, there's not. I've been in here before.
Okay, then how come before it changed, I've seen something just like this and there was definitely a monster in here. I got a can. Oh yeah, there is none. Okay, let's go sell this, see if we can buy the new flare gun.
Hang on, I'm charging.
Wait.
Wait.
Hey, give me your backpack and I'll just go chuck everything in. Why did they change everything? Oh, I lost all my money.
Why?
I don't know. I had like 4,000. I got a can. Oh, your flashlight was in there.
Yeah, I don't care.
Can we buy a flare gun? Aww. If we can find the
I
golden,
need the golden chicken egg.
yeah, then we would be able to buy a flare gun. Wait, I need a backpack. I need a backpack.
Where's the chicken egg though?
I don't know. We need a back. I need. Hey, you need a new flashlight, don't you?
Nah, it's fine. Can you buy me one?
No, I can't. I told you I'm saving up for a flare gun.
So am I. You know what, Teddy? You will have to lead the way.
Oh, I have no clue. I've never played this update, and you have.
Yeah, but all I done was walked over here. You realise it can't get us through there, I think. Yeah, it can't.
Down here.
What's that blue thing?
I don't know. Should we go
I think
towards
it's a monster.
Let's go towards it. We need to learn what the monster
You.
do. You're coming with me.
I'll just watch from here. I'll watch from here. Hello?
Yeah. I see something. It looks like a fish.
Fish?
Yes, a fish. I think so. Oh, we need a flashlight.
Very weird.
Wait. I can see where you are on my watch.
Where?
I have a tracker on my
can't.
watch.
Whoa, so do I.
How did you change it? Oh, you just tap
You
it.
just tap on it.
Wait, how do I get my health?
Sick.
How do I see my health?
Wait, I see the boombox.
Wait, you do? How?
Right there.
I don't see it.
It's right there.
What, you... It...
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Let's go get it. Come on.
You go get it. I literally can't.
Okay. No, it's up there. Okay, let me just get a better view. To get up here.
Oh yeah. Stop. Stop.
Oh, I moved when it was red. Nah.
Hey, Marguerite. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We need to get a torch.
Yeah.
Teddy,
Yeah.
let's see if we can sell the boombox.
We can't. We've already tried it.
Oh, let's just see because let's just see.
Still in here.
Well, let's go buy some flashlights and go.
Oh, I don't want to spend my money on a flashlight.
I'll buy two.
Oh, thanks. You can have the boombox for that.
Thanks.
I saw a sign. Should we go see what that blue thing was?
Yeah.
Wait, what's right of here? Oh, yeah, it's for... Wait, turn off the boombox. We can't hear when it says when... The tick, tick, tick. Stop. Go straight behind it. What's back here? Stop.
Stop.
This way. Come this way.
I'm coming.
I know, you got your charger and it's hard.
Go.
Golden chicken!
Maybe the chicken.
Is it still the same? Yeah, it's the same. We have found the egg. We have no grenades and there's no point coming all the way back. I'll go distract it, or I'll go just, or you distract it. You distract it. I'll take the egg. Well, I'm gonna put my flashlight away.
I can't though. I get scared. Wait, Teddy, I have an idea.
What?
You distract her over to the bridge, then I will keep it there. Then you will run over here. Then I will take care of your bag. Teddy, let me take care of your bag first.
Oh, okay. Don't lose it.
Teddy. Run over here.
We got it over. Okay, you keep it back. You keep it back. Make sure. No, it's following me. It's following me. If I go a bit back, I will stop. Try move and see if it moves its head to you. Keep it on the. Keep it that way. Make sure it doesn't come for me. Shout eggs if it stops coming for me. I got the egg. I'm gonna take a banana.
Okay.
How am I supposed to make it back? With a banana. I got a banana. No, like how am I supposed to make it back with a banana? Make it back, make it. Can I have my backpack back?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
No, the egg.
Oh! I got it.
Put it in.
Teddy, I'll keep it inside my bag just in case.
Okay, remember, if you die... Wait, look! Look! What's this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, there's a monster in there, I know. Remember that? Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
So all they did is really move stuff around.
Stop!
They just move stuff around. Go.
I thought we were going to the blue light.
No. Let's just sell our stuff and then go.
Okay. Teddy, I'm coming! Go. How far did you make it in with Taco?
Oh, he like left after.
When I left.
Nah, like we just did some stuff, like some parkour.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my left controller died.
Dang.
What did you get? Oh, I grabbed my
It's my
flashlight.
flashlight.
No, my flashlight, remember? Oh, I have a banana. I have a banana.
Put it in.
Big banana. Let's see if we can buy the flare gun now.
Wait, the banana's not in.
Oh, no, it's sold.
No.
How much money do I have? Can I buy the flare gun? I'm gonna see. I can't see how much money I have. Can you tell me how much money I have?
Lower your arm down.
I can't. It's out of battery.
Oh, Teddy, you have to tap it. Let me check. 893.
Damn it! See, if I didn't buy my backpack, I would have had it. Basically.
Good. Yeah, it costs 999.
Let's go.
Should we go check on the blue
That blue light.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Teddy, I'm coming.
I got one hand. I hate that the red light, green light thing's so near.
Wait, should we get some more? Wait, before that, should we get all the loot in here so then
Oh
we can
yeah,
get the flare gun?
yeah. I remember I can't put it in my backpack.
Oh shoot, yeah. How about this? You pick the stuff up, put it in my backpack.
Okay, my flashlight needs to go in.
Yep.
Soda can.
I'll just be waiting all here.
Okay. Oh, it's
I'll
gonna
actually come with you.
I got banana.
Banana.
I need to make sure my disconnected hand doesn't step on a land grenade.
Landmine.
Yeah. Hey, look. Oh, it didn't go in. It didn't go in.
Oh, it didn't make it in.
I can't pick anything up. My hand is in the way. I'm gonna try to take out my battery and put it back in, see if that will last a little bit longer. We only need a little bit. I blow up in those reasons.
I think my backpack's full.
Oh.
Hey, take off your backpack. Well, at least try.
I got my hands finally back. Only for a few minutes.
Nice. Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna go take everything.
Yo, go. Got
Put in.
Oh, hang
Wait.
on.
That's in.
There we are.
Right, let's go back.
On your back.
Wait, do I have to buy ammo for the flare gun?
No.
What? But does it ever run out?
Don't think so, but it might. I hope it doesn't though. Flare guns only, you have about 1 to 2 shots, usually.
One, then you have to buy a new one.
No, in real life. Ah!
Flashlight. Oh no, that's yours. Wait, where's my flashlight? Oh, it's here. How much was that? I have 1,000.
Let's go.
That's all my money.
Only use it when we need it.
Can I just see what it looks like first?
Yeah, sure.
How do I shoot it?
I don't know. Ah!
Oh, it's the light up stuff.
Wait, does it? Oh! You get another go.
I can use it where that blue light was.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. The flare gun's still in
Flare
development.
guns are usually used for like help signals.
I know. We can use it to guide our way. Go.
I kind of want to get up close to this thing. Whoa. That's sick. Ow, come on.
Okay, is it over there?
I don't know, I can't see it.
Try to
Maybe
shoot.
it's a monster.
I don't know. My
Shoot it over there. Go on.
huh?
No. No, it's out. It's out of ammo.
How do I load it back up? Try load it back
Oh,
up.
no, I think
try,
you might-
try load it back up. I can't because I've got a dead. Try with the other hand. I'll take your flashlight away. Maybe I have to buy shotgun ammo for it.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to head back. And I have a
Put it in your backpack.
I have a dead controller.
Come this way.
I'm not risking my
Chances.
yes, even if I'm nowhere near it, I'm still not gonna move. Go.
Come on. Note to self. Note to self. He can come over here a bit.
I'm trying to make my way back. Oh, I just thought my right controller battery's been charging up for quite a couple hours. I'm gonna